Hi friends, let us talk about how we treat acute pancreatitis. Acute pancreatitis has different types or classifications. For convenience of our patient friends, let me just tell you that acute pancreatitis can be classified as mild, moderate and severe. The severe form is basically a necrotizing type of pancreatitis where the management and all we will be discussing in a different kind of a chapter. Acute pancreatitis essentially is a disease which can be managed by medical treatment. The diagnosis is very important, which is given to you by certain blood tests, your clinical examination and the CT scan and ultrasound of the abdomen. Once you establish a diagnosis of acute pancreatitis, the essential management is by medicines. The patient may have complications like a circulatory failure, a respiratory failure, and other complications of pancreatitis. So you classify your patient first as into which category he falls, and accordingly a medical treatment is initiated. Severe acute pancreatitis patients are initially managed in the intensive care unit, wherein they are given supplements, taken care of nutrition, given intravenous fluids, and the role of antibiotics as per requirement. They are also given some additional medications which are known to relieve acute pancreatitis slowly. At the same time, medications are given for the comorbid patients or comorbid conditions rather which the patient has, like diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia, thyroid issues and things like that. The patient is tried to stabilize by these medications. Some of the patients who are really not doing well, who are very sick, may need a ventilatory support, as in the lungs of these patients are not really functioning properly and they need support. So these are the patients, they need a ventilatory support. Some of the patients may also need support in form of dialysis, wherein the kidneys of the patients are not really working 100%. So a patient of acute pancreatitis needs to be classified whether he is having only pancreatitis or there is what we medically call as a multi-organ failure, and accordingly the medical treatment is constituted. If the patient ICU care and the hospital care is adequate through experienced staff and an experienced doctor, the outcome of management of acute pancreatitis is usually successful. For details, log on to my website www.drchetanmahajan.com. Thank you.